Good afternoon, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Let's start today's class. Okay, firstly, you will take out your pencil and notebook from your bag. After that, we will start our today's class. Okay, let's start. This is your block 3, and what is the name of the block 3? Making connections. This is your block 3, and what is the name of the block 3? Making connection. And this is the part 2 of your block. This is the part 2 of your block. In our first part, we have learnt about WH questions. Where, what, why, who, when. We have learnt about WH questions. Next, let's discuss our aim. In this lesson, we will ask more questions about the story Ben's Christmas Wish. In this lesson, we will ask more questions about the story Ben's Christmas Wish. The story Ben's Christmas Wish and connect places and events from the story with our own lives. We will connect places and events from the story Ben's Christmas Wish with our own lives. I hope aim is clear to you. Move on next. Now look at this picture. I will ask some questions related to this picture. Next, look these questions. We will read these questions. Where do you think the story is taking place? Where do you think the story is taking place? And second one, what time of the day is it? What time of the day is it? Now you have to write down the answers of these questions in your notebook. Pause your video for 1 minute and write down the answers. Okay, I hope you have done. Let's discuss the answer of these questions. Answers of these questions first. This picture reminds me of my visit to Shimla during my school holidays. This picture reminds me of my visit to Shimla during my school holidays. And second one, it was snowing there and like Ben. It was snowing there and like Ben. I also had fun in snow. I hope answers are clear to you. Move on next. Now we will start activity. What we are going to do in this activity? First, connect the story Ben's Christmas Wish with our own life. Connect the story Ben's Christmas Wish with our own life. First, we will read the story. After that, we will connect the story with our own life. First, we will read the story. After that, we will connect the story with our own life. Let's read the story. This is the story, and what is the name of the story? Ben's Christmas Wish. Ben's Christmas Wish. Ben was sad. Who was sad? Ben was sad. Ben was a boy. Ben was a boy in this story. Dad was going away for work. Dad was going away for work. All the way from England to Australia. All the way from England to Australia. England to Australia is very far away. So his dad took a flight. He wouldn't be home for Christmas. His dad wouldn't be home for Christmas. Now move on next. Ben loved decorating the Christmas tree with the dad. This is Ben and this is Ben's dad and this is Christmas tree. Ben loved decorating the Christmas tree with dad. They would build a snowman together. Ben and his dad would build a snowman together. Over next. But not this time. But not this time. They are not decorating the tree and they are not they wouldn't be built a snowman. But Ben waved goodbye as dad left for the airport. Ben waved goodbye to his dad because his dad was going away for work. It's okay, Ben, said Mom. We will still have fun. Ben made a face. Here, Ben made a face because his father was going away for work. Fun without that. Why don't you write a letter to Santa Claus? Asked Mom. His mom said to Ben, why don't you write a letter to Santa Claus? Because on the occasion of Christmas, Santa fulfilled a wish. So his mother said, why don't you write a letter to Santa Claus? What did he want for Christmas? What did he want for Christmas? What did Ben want for Christmas? A car, a train set, a puppy, chocolate cake, new shoes. What did he want for Christmas? He wanted all of these. Ben wanted all of these. But most of all, he wanted Dad to be home. Ben wrote his letter to Santa. He put it under his pillow. He put this letter under his pillow. Then he shut or closed his eyes and wished hard. The next morning, when Ben was eating breakfast, he heard a car coming in. Who could it be? It was Dad. Ben couldn't believe it. It was Ben's dad. Ben couldn't believe it. It was snowing too much, said Dad. We couldn't fly in this weather due to the bad weather. All the flights were cancelled. Yippee, said Ben. His wish had come true, and that Christmas Ben and Dad built the biggest snowman ever. This is your story. I hope it is clear to you, and you have to write down. You have to connect this story with your own lives, your own life, and write down the response in your notebook. I hope you have done. Let's discuss. Now these are the making connection. What is making connection? Making connection means finding things that are similar between two things. Making connection means finding things that are similar between two things. Here we will connect the story, Ben's story, with our own lives. In the Ben story, Ben wears woolen clothes. We also wear woolen clothes in the winter. Ben likes to spend holidays with his family. Ben likes to spend holidays with his family. We also spend holidays with our families. I hope it is clear to you. Move on next. I will ask a question And read this question. How did connecting things in the story with what we already know help us? How did connecting things in the story with what we already know help us? You have to write down the answer of this question in your notebook. Pause the video for 1 minute. I hope you have done. I hope you have done. Let's discuss the answer of this question. Connecting the story to our own lives help us understand what is happening in the story better. Connecting the story to our own lives helps us understand what is happening in the story better. This is because we have seen similar things happen in our lives too. In our lives too. I hope answer is clear to you. Move on next. There are two questions. First, what if Ben's father had not returned? What if Ben's father had not returned? Second one, would the ending be different? Would the ending be different? You have to write down the answer of these questions in your notebook. We will discuss the answer of these questions in our next class. Okay, watch this video and watch it carefully. Thank you.